this video, we're going to address low back, hip, down the back of the legs. A lot of people have low back discomfort and hip pain. So we're going to show you some ways you can work with the crystal therapy in those areas that can be beneficial.
Hello again, everybody. Back for another training video. So when you're working on lower back, it's going to be a little tricky. So do what feels comfortable. Don't torque your body and make things seize up and then you have more issues. So make sure you're doing things that is comfortable for you. So when we're working, we're going to be hitting the lower back. So we're going to look at the lower erectors into QL, the lower back muscles. So when you're working, we're going to hit straight up and down in this direction here. So as you reach through, you can hold it as Teresa is here, or I find that sometimes when you are working on lower back, you can actually bring the gun in through this way as well, whatever is most comfortable for you. So for Teresa, obviously this direction is a little bit more comfortable. So we're going to be working straight up and down. Once again, be careful of the spine and the bones. We've talked tons about that, about staying away from that because it hurts and doesn't feel good. So we're going to be working up and down, and then we're going to come actually down right above the pelvis and straight across to the outside of the body. Working through QL, a little bit of glute as well. And from this position, I like to come straight down on the side of the glute here. So we're going to come straight down. Be careful of that hip bone. You can actually kind of rotate around that hip bone and stay close to it, so you're really penetrating with the energy and getting in there and getting a good release. After here, we are actually going to start getting into the glute med and max and really start getting into some of the piriformis muscles, which is one of those muscles that contributes to that lower back pain, as well as sciatic issues, if that is something that you are experiencing as well. So we're just going to work straight across the lower back here. Nice and slow again. When you get into the piriformis muscle, if you are experiencing those sciatic symptoms, you can actually feel like there's a little notch right in the middle of the glute. If you feel that, that is exactly where that piriformis muscle, and you can actually just stick the crystal therapy straight in there and just hold it. You can move it a little bit, but really focus in there, and it will help. After you get through that, then you can start coming down the back of the leg into the hamstrings. The hamstrings also contribute to lower back issues as well, and helping promote that release and really finding some relief that you were looking for. So while you're working through the hamstring, you can hit that IT line as well, just like we talked about on the quad side. You're going to feel that muscle kind of wrap around into the side of your leg. That's that line that you want to hit. So it's about a 45-degree angle, if you will. That's that line for the IT, and then you can come straight down in the middle of the hamstring, as well as coming in a little bit more on that medial side, closer to the center of the body. Once again, working slow is the best way to go. Listen to your body. If it feels good, you're doing good work.
You want to make sure you stay out of right directly behind the knee in that area. There's a lot of nerves that go through there, and you want to stay off of that. That's a contraindication. So stay out of the back of the knee. That is true.
Very true. We don't want to be messing things up and causing more pain than healing. So once again, happy healing and enjoy your crystal therapy.
Enjoy the energy.